Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I want to show you how I made this awesome meal with trout, and I stuffed it with sweet potato. As you see here, I peeled it, wash it, chop it up, and I'm gonna put it to boil in water for about 10 minutes. The fish, I cleaned the scales out of it and also cut the head and some of the fins, and I'm gonna pat it dry with a kitchen towel. I'm not gonna add salt at all. I've told you that I'm trying not to eat salt at least for a while, but I'm rediscovering and discovering amazing flavors in meals now. Potato is boiled now. I'm gonna add a bit of butter of it, like 50 grams of butter, and I'm gonna mash it together. And all you can do now is just add spices of your choice over this. This will be the filling of the fish. Okay, so after adding butter, I will add spices, and I'm gonna use some pesto, pepper, whatever you prefer, basil in particular, and that pesto has lots of basil in it. So I'm gonna add garlic powder. I'm gonna add lemon pepper. Everything by eye. I'm not measuring anything. That pesto sauce that I've told you, 1 teaspoon of that. Be generous because it's really tasty and really good. I have some parmesan, so this is another reason why I didn't add the salt, because parmesan is a cheese that has a lot of salt and also flavor. So I'm gonna grate a bit of that parmesan over the mash. I have lime, so I'm gonna grate some of the zest. It's gonna bring freshness to this dish, and also fish is good with lime or lemon. And also I'm gonna squeeze some of the juices of that lime in this mash. So mix everything together. I love the color of sweet potatoes, but also the taste. In the meantime, I preheated the oven at 180 Celsius, or 350 Fahrenheit. I added 1 more teaspoon of that pesto sauce, and this is pretty much the filling. So stuff now the cavity of the fish with that filling. And I'm gonna add on top of the fish a slice of lime and some rosemary that I had in the fridge, but yeah, you can add basil or none at all. And I tie the fish with some kitchen string just to keep it a bit together, and put the fish in a dish on some baking paper. It's gonna be easier to clean the dish. Pour 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some of that lemon pepper on top of it, and bake it in the oven for about 20-30 minutes until the skin of the fish will be nice and crisp. I honestly encourage you to make this dish because it's amazing and really healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye.